Hi, this is Kerry Artek with Wicked Stocks, bringing you the daily Apple report for Thursday, April 6th, 2023. Let's jump into the charts. Just a big picture reminder that after the early January testing of long-term support in the low to mid 120s, we'd mentioned how the low 170s channel top should be considered attainable by some point in 23. And just 3 or 4 months into the year, we are approaching it. That was clearly indicated when we settled above the 137.29 channel top in early February as then a 3 to 5 month objective. And most recently, a week ago, we closed above the meaningful upper 150s, low 160s, combination two-thirds speed line and Fibonacci level, which remains our base of support through next week, and above which 170, 174 remains a 2 to 3 week target. Now, upside today, 166.17, just an intraday resistance level. It can contain intraday activity, below which we could retest 162.14. I don't have that labeled here, but that is that spike high from a couple of weeks ago. We tested that actually on Wednesday, slipped below it just a bit, but it held nicely. It can continue to perform the same way, and above which 166.17 wouldn't surprise me today. All the minor points have been carefully chosen for you aggressive day traders. 166.17, nothing more than the high settlement price from Monday of this week. It can contain intraday, possibly daily buying pressures. If we push through 166.17, 168.79 in reach by the closing bell, where I would anticipate a daily high. 168.79 able to contain daily buying pressures and very close then to reaching our long-term objective in the low 170s. If we close above 168.79, that's a long shot today. We should actually on Monday test this 170, 174 long-term channel top where we can top out not only through April but even through Q3 and fall off from here in a meaningful way, and if settled above would be a significant long-term buy signal as we move into later year. Hi, if you enjoy watching our daily Apple report, you'll love our daily Triple Q and SPY reports. They're presented in the same 5 to 10 minute video format. Our daily SPY and Triple Q analysis provides directional market signals that are correlated with highly specific price support and resistance levels. Whether your trading time horizon is short or longer term, we promise you a distinctive edge in your trading of the SPY and Triple Q. We offer a 5-day, no questions asked, money-back guarantee. So go to wickedstocks.com right now and start receiving your daily SPY and daily Triple Q reports today. Now, downside, if we happen to break 162.14 today, this high, again, I should say, we did break it actually on Wednesday, we could fall all the way back into the 160.49 to 158.21 region. In fact, we should. 160.49 would be in reach. I don't know about 158.21. This is still a decently wide zone of support that also has 159.64 in it, as you can see. So, which spot you pick, 160.49, 159.64, 158.21, you could go all the way down the line, but it is a zone of support that can absorb selling through next week, possibly into later April, and once again above which the low 170s in reach over the next 2 to 3 weeks. Even if we were to close below 158.21 today, 153.53 is just a few days away then from being tested. And this is a new rising speed line based on Tuesday's high. Yes, and it can, 153.53, contain selling through April. And from here, we can turn higher again into the low 170s within 3 to 5 weeks of testing 153.53. Not going to happen today. I don't even think by the end of next week. But if over the next few weeks we settle below 153.53, then it's sort of get out of the way. We should then unravel all the way back into the 130s within a month or two of closing below 153.53. But we're a long way from that right now. Day traders buying 162.14, anticipating 166.17. You could get short at 166.17, but if we push through it, expect 168.79 where profits can be taken for the day. And closing above 168.79, our targeted low 170s then likely within just a few days. Downside, breaking 162.14, the day trade turns negative to 160.49. The start of a range down to 158.21 that can absorb selling through next week, possibly the balance of April trade. And that could be an area you position yourself to get long in the low 170s, 170, 172 out of the money calls, or you're just buying the stock in this vicinity. I think that pretty much rounds it out for Thursday's Apple report. We will not have a report on Friday, of course, Good Friday. We'll be back Sunday afternoon with Monday's letter. And you have a fantastic weekend. We'll talk soon.